Thumri comes in the Nritya section because it has Sahitya or the literature. You have the language to explain what you are going to perform. In Thumri, you have a line. That line is repeated many times. You as an artist have the freedom and the responsibility to take the bhava along with it, deviate from it, create your own story, be impulsive, spontaneous, and move the story forward. How do we do that? There are 4 tools that we could use to build up the emotion and the story that will be the content of our particular Thumri. Shabdat, word to word, Vakyat, the sentence, Sthai, which is stable, the main bhava that you feel, Sanchari, the way you travel with your emotion in order to narrate your story. So there you are. You have 4 tools to express your story.